In this interview, we're joined by Mara Sprouce, Director of Commercial Operations at Mosaic Biosciences. Mosaic will be a silver sponsor at RESI London this December. Mara shares how Mosaic drives innovation, supports diverse modalities, and works differently than a traditional CRO. She also talks about the types of partners they're looking to connect with at RESI London and what attendees can expect when meeting the Mosaic team on site.
For those attending RESI London who may not know you yet, can you introduce Mosaic Biosciences and how your platform supports biotech partners from concept to candidate?
Absolutely. So Mosaic Bioscience is a partnered research organization, or what we call a PRO. And we're focused on helping biotech innovators efficiently and strategically advance protein therapeutics from concept to clinic. We're best known for our antibody discovery and engineering capabilities. Our team also supports, though, a wide range of therapeutic and delivery modalities, including gene therapies, novel protein formats, AAV, and mRNA delivery. What really makes us different is our team of experienced drug hunters, which I'm sure we'll talk about later. Many of our partners, especially our early stage companies and investors, rely on Mosaic not just for technical execution, but also for strategic guidance throughout the discovery process. Whether you're starting with just a target concept or you need help bridging to IND enabling studies, we can flex to meet where your needs are. Just of note, we're agnostic to therapeutic area, but we do have a notable specialty in ophthalmology. But we're really structured to support everything from single work streams to fully integrated discovery programs.
What I heard was Mosaic describes itself as a team of drug hunters and problem solvers. So how's that mindset influence your approach to collaboration and innovation in early stage drug discovery?
Yeah, our drug hunter mindset. So we do have a role in the organization called drug hunters, and these are our, seasoned industry veterans who have seen a number of molecules from concept to clinic. But the drug hunter mindset really permeates the organization. We don't just run experiments, we critically think about what it takes to make a successful therapeutic. We start by working with our partners to define a target product profile from the very beginning, and then design discovery strategies that increase the likelihood of downstream success. This sort of, problem solver, thought partner mindset is rooted in the culture of all of our scientists who collaborate closely with our partners throughout the project by designing experiments, interpreting data, troubleshooting, and helping prioritize next steps. This kind of iterative, transparent collaboration is key to the success of our programs, especially with these early stage companies, biotechs, right? Where strategic pivots can really save time and capital. For all of us at Mosaic, and I speak for the whole organization, right? I was a bench scientist before I found myself on the commercial team. For all of us at Mosaic, we really do this because of the thrill of new drug discovery and to support the emerging biotechs that are getting next generation therapies to patients. This is also why we're a milestone and royalty-free organization. We want to help our partners advance new drugs, period.
So what types of collaborators or early stage companies are you hoping to connect with at RESI in London?
We're excited to connect with seed and Series A biotechs that are building, their first program, looking to expand into new modalities, or, they're iterating maybe V2 of their lead asset. If you're an early stage company without a fully integrated discovery team, or you're looking for a partner who can act as an extension of your research team, we're built to support you. We're also actively seeking to connect with the investors, that back these companies that are looking for a reliable, experienced discovery partner that can help de-risk and accelerate the programs across their portfolio companies.
And RESI is known for early stage connections. And what kinds of biotech companies or drug developers should be reaching out to Mosaic at RESI London?
Yeah, we work with biotechs of all sizes, really. So anything from startups, platform companies, academic spinouts, mid-sized pharma, you name it, we work with them, as well as the venture investors that support them. If your company's in the early stages of building out a pipeline, or if you're looking to expand into new indications or modalities, especially without an internal discovery infrastructure or limited bandwidth, Mosaic can really act as your discovery engine. If you're focused on a new modality, looking to explore protein therapeutics, we can help you expand without having to build out an entirely new team, right? We can act as your research team.
Great. So your team of drug hunters has taken multiple compounds from exploration into the clinic. And how does this experience help set Mosaic apart when it comes to turning early ideas into viable drug candidates?
I mean, it's really as simple as experience, right? Our team has guided multiple programs from first concept through clinical development, and we use that experience to help our partners avoid the common pitfalls that we see in early stage discovery. We understand what a clinically viable candidate really looks like, and we design the discovery strategies with that end goal in mind from the very beginning. Our very early conversations, we're focused on making sure that we're, getting the best possible strategy out there from the beginning.
As a silver sponsor, you'll be visible throughout the RESI experience. What are you looking forward to most at this event, and how can attendees connect with your team on site?
Yeah, we're really looking forward to meaningful scientific conversations. I'm a scientist at heart. Like I said, I started at the bench and find myself in commercial now, but I love to have those really deep scientific discussions, build the network of scientists that we communicate with routinely, and really having those conversations with both emerging biotechs and the investors that are backing them. Our team will be available throughout the conference, hosting workshops, participating in panel discussions, meeting with attendees at our booth. If you're thinking about building or accelerating a protein therapeutic, we'd love to connect and explore how Mosaic can help you.
Mosaic works across a wide range of modalities and target classes. How does your platform flex to meet the diverse needs of early stage partners?
Yeah, so like I said earlier, we're really indication agnostic. The therapeutic modalities may differ, but honestly, the core principles of discovery, they overlap across all programs. We're looking at things like binding, function, potency, biomarker activity, and preclinical validation. That's just core to everything. So our platform is built to assess those core characteristics across a range of therapeutic platforms. So whether you're looking for support in biochemical assays, in vitro efficacy testing, or translational in vivo work, we can plug in as needed, or we can manage the entire discovery campaign on your behalf.
Great. So what makes Mosaic different from working with a traditional CRO?
Yeah, technically we fall under the CRO umbrella, but we really, shy away from calling ourselves a CRO. That's usually associated with a pretty transactional relationship. So Mosaic is a PRO, a partnered research organization, and that distinction is really central to how we operate, right? At Mosaic, we invest in your success as a scientific partner. We collaborate closely with our partners, offer fully integrated discovery capabilities, and prioritize strategic alignment to help you make the best decisions. We don't just generate data.
Well, I'm excited to see you at RESI London. It'll be here just soon enough, faster
Oh
than
my gosh, I can't believe how close it is around the corner.
Great to meet you, and I look forward to seeing you at RESI London.
Yeah, it was great to meet you too. Thank you so much.